Hey, it's RJ. How would you guys like to do what I do? But before you answer that question, I think you need to know what I do. Fact is, I'd like to know what the hell I do. I have a lot of fun, I will tell you that, because I love what I do. And when you love what you do, you never work a day in your life. And I honestly can tell you, I was just on a vacation in Colorado with my entire family skiing in Breckenridge. That was harder for me than working. I love work. What can I say? There's something wrong with me? Yes, I know. I'm okay with it. Well, let's talk about this. What do I really do? Well, I'm the acquisition director for Buy Cash Flow Properties. I buy houses. I don't know anything that's more fun than that in the world. Now, I want you to think about this. I found out about 5 years ago I have attention deficit disorder, ADD and HD. And I think what they meant is I have advanced adult attention deficit disorder in high definition. Some of you guys watching this, I guarantee you have it too. Your mind is always going, it's spinning, you got 5 things going on. That's me, and that's why the business I'm in is so good for me, because every house is different. Everything's a puzzle. Everything's a little bit of a challenge, and it forces me to think, which is what excites me and motivates me the most. I love solving situations and creating profitable opportunities. So what I do is I field every kind of request you can ever imagine to buy houses, whether it's from the internet, whether it's going to auctions, from probate court, from wholesalers, from bird dogs, from the MLS, from auction sites, you name it, that's what we do. We buy houses. We've created a model for selling them to international investors as well as domestic investors in the United States. We've created a turnkey operation that allows us to assist and help small to mid-sized investors get involved in real estate, which is really probably one of the safest places to invest your money. And everybody needs to invest their money. If they hope to have any kind of a retirement, they need to have their money working for them, especially when they're not working. So if you're sitting there and you say, you know, this RJ guy, it seems like he's got a pretty cool lifestyle. Now, I gotta tell you, next month I fly to Atlanta to go see AC/DC. 2 months later, I'm in Calgary watching The Who in another concert. I do all kinds of fun stuff. Concerts, fishing, traveling, skiing. I do all kinds of stuff because this business allows me to do that. But if you are serious and you've got some experience, because I'm not here to train people from the ground up. I can help a little bit, but I don't have the time to be a teacher, to be a mentor, to be somebody's coach. I can help the masses. Once a month I can do that. But I can't be an individual coach to people because I have too much fun being in the jungle making money. But if you think that you'd like to be involved in finding houses wholesale and making money, you could become one of our affiliates. And if that's something that's important to you, you should send me an email direct to rjp@buycashflowproperties.com. Now, we are just getting this thing ready. We have done this years ago. It is time. America's on fire. There's great opportunities everywhere if you know how to find them, and if you know how to recognize them, and if you know how to negotiate them, and if you know how to rent them, sell them, rehab them, all that stuff. If that's you, if you got a burning desire to be financially independent and not have to rely on anybody else, and you want to make a lot of money, and you want to take care of yourself and your family and your financial future, and you've got the drive and the desire and the perseverance and the patience and some money, this could be for you. But money is never the problem. Okay, ideas are the problem. If you don't have the money, there's always ways to get the money. I can find money for any deal right now in 20 minutes. If the deal is good enough, I will find the money. And I bet you could too once you really get involved in this business. But if you're serious and you'd like to work in a city, not mine, by the way, not Atlanta, we are going to set up affiliates all over the country this year. And you could be one of them. If that's important to you, rjp@buycashflowproperties.com, or my direct line is 813-495-3006. For those of you that want to take up the baton and run this thing, I look forward to your call. This is the most exciting, fun business. I can't even imagine myself doing anything else. Nothing's more fun than this. Good luck to you guys. See you at the top.